Well, there's 45 bottles of it if you want it.
I think this was actually one that we threw in the bin.
You took it out the bin?
Yeah.
You're a girl after my own fancy.
Put your gear in the boot, then you'll have in a room.
Now this is wonderful.
There's a window or a door open.
Is there?
Yeah, this
I thought,
It's mine.
The newest.
it's all right. It's done.
What's done? Alright.
I thought I could hear the window. This is still Lake Quarry.
Where's the pelican then, Ed?
I don't know, but the cop's just gone that way.
Okay.
The window then, isn't it?
If
Yeah,
you don't find that bloody pelican, Ed.
He's not there.
Oh, Richard.
Oh, never mind. I'm sure you'll
give
find
you
me some
one.
more.
I'll give you a pelican, my dear.
Yeah, I'll let you off if you can find me another.
I'll tell you what I might do.
I will.
Yeah, he's generally on one of these poles down here. I could see back there. He wasn't there.
Do they kill him then?
Yeah, that's why they shake everything.
Yeah.
When they
Let him against the tree.
Communication in North and South Wales is different. And even the Welsh they speak is slightly different. The language is slightly
Oh,
different. So-
Snappier, don't they?
Yeah, they're
Chop
not very
off their
nice
words.
North Walians. Except for my relations who live in North Wales, they're alright.
Are you a good boy?
Hello,
Girl.
Yeah. He makes it up as he goes along.
Ah, da 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 da.
That's true.
Magnificent eyesight if they come to me.
If the thing's moving, that's moving down it. Oh crap! You feed me, that's it. I do the washing, I don't clean myself. What's the matter with you?
He's going nom nom nom.
Come by here.
Yeah, go by
Come
now.
on, Mum, come.
Cross.
You coming?
Yeah, it is. See this wire.
Not very sharp.
You see? Yeah. Oh, he has. He took it off.
He's not going to mess around. You think they've got young yet then? This year?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know what's going.
No.
What time of year they do that?
Yes.
Good shot.
If he sees it bounce, he'll...
I've got to see it moving.
Yeah. But if it happened to go behind him,
It'll be.
he wouldn't, and he'd perhaps miss it. Oh, he's missed it.
Oh, nearly.
I bet he misses it. Now, you watch. You might not see it. He didn't see it bounce.
I could go down and move it for him.
Yeah.
He's still eating the other one.
Oh, he might.
He's eyeing it.
He might. I think that's it.
I think he goes for the live ones first.
Yeah.
Come back to dead ones later.
Yeah, he's still picking. Yeah.
Lovely.
He might. If he flies away, I'll have to pick it up. No.
What time of year they do that?
Oh, he's found it, look. That's it. I'm not chucking anymore.
No,
Found
you keep
first
that.
piece of chuck. Look at that dog. Look, mammoth.
It's
Mammoth, is it?
husky.
Dusky.
How many can you see?
Whoa!
Look at lifting his food
It
up.
might be a male. It's a bit colourful.
Very
for
bright.
him. Yeah.
So what's that? So what's that bird? That's a magpie.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Big one.
And what's the other one?
They're just pigeons.
He's a third
Oh, they're
generation.
butcher bird.
Butcher bird. Is it not related to magpies? Oh right.
Where's it? Where's that?
I'm
at?
still looking at Brisbane to see what we'll be able to stay.
Oh, great, you'd like British. Yeah.
To it.
Oh, the fish itself was
Beautiful.
incredible.
Oh, straight out.
And so I slid the apple pie
Didn't he?
Straight on
apple
to a
pie.
See you through there.
You can't remember them. You can see.
Yeah, now what's the idea of the see-through windows on these then?
Denotes that it's real.
Or maybe there's something you can see in there in
Yeah.
a certain light or something. I don't know.
You know, I never check them to see whether they're counterfeits, and there's a lot around.
Is there?
Look, and
Right, let's see.
you've got to check it out without touching the glass
Without spilling any.
and without spilling it.
When you're filling it up to the top.
Oh, there's that programme on the telly.
I didn't get it off the telly, I've known this
No,
for years and years and
they've
years.
done it on it, but
It's an old pub trick.
Is that why you have waterproof money?
Now, Richard,
There you
you're
go.
very smart. Because
I
I've
had
not
a-
known many people know how to do it.
I had a little
You might
bird
have had
that whispered to me a little bit.
I haven't touched the glass with my
Was it
fingers.
grey to spot a turquoise top?
Shut your face. Listen, your problem is you're too bloody
Too
honest.
honest.
You nearly got $50,
He's too honest,
didn't you?
you know.
If I'd have
Really.
said I'd back you $50.
I wasn't gonna.